When I did Luck by Chance, आज वो पिक्चर को 11 साल हो गए। पिक्चर जब लगी थी मेरी इतनी तारीफ हुई थी, पर मैंने एक पिक्चर नहीं साइन। क्यों नहीं साइन की? अगर मैं इनसाइडर हूँ तो मुझे तो 100 फिल्में साइन करनी चाहिए थी। हाफ ऑफ दीज ट्रोलर्स एंड ऑल आई थिंक सो आर फेक अकाउंट होल्डर्स। आप इंडस्ट्री में हो, अगर उसके वजह से आप इनसाइडर हो तो करेक्ट, आप हो इनसाइडर। माई वर्क वॉज बीइंग अप्रिशिएटेड, समटाइम्स माई I was giving blockbusters, I was not getting credit. If you are important, people talk about you. People don't talk about unimportant people. कोई अपने माँ के कोख से कोई सुपर एक्टर नहीं बन के आता है, वो सीखता है हर चीज में, कोई भी प्रोफेशन में। द मोर यू वर्क, द मोर यू लर्न।
संजय साहब, आजकल हम लोग ये काफी डिस्कशन सुन रहे हैं इनसाइडर आउटसाइडर के बारे में। आप अपने जाती तजुर्बे से अगर आप बताएं, आपने स्टार्ट किया और जिस तरीके से फियर्स कंपैरिजंस आपके अनिल सर के साथ में होते हैं। मुझे याद है कि जब जब लम्हे आई थी और लम्हे में अनिल सर ने मूछें अपने हटा दी थी, तो कैसे कैसे कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरीज थी उस टाइम पे कि दैट अब संजय का क्या होगा। एंड अगर आप अपने तजुर्बे से अगर आप मुझे बताना चाहें कि हैज इट बीन इजी फॉर यू बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ अ famous film industry?
See, I will not say it's easy or it's difficult, inside or outside. Even I've been hearing, but like when I meet people and, when I meet other actors, when I meet the other new people today, because I've been in the industry for 27, 28 years as an actor and everything. So I work with a lot of new people, and they kind of look up to me and they want to know my experience and everything. So I genuinely think there's nothing like called an insider, outsider, in the sense that, yes, आप इंडस्ट्री में हो, अगर उसकी वजह से आप इनसाइडर हो तो करेक्ट, आप हो इनसाइडर। बट फाइनली आइदर यू आर गुड और बैड। इवेंचुअली यू हैव टू बी गुड टू सर्वाइव। कितने ही लोग हैं जो एक्टर के भाई हैं या प्रोड्यूसर के बेटे हैं या वो है, ये है, बहनें हैं, बेटियां हैं। फाइनली यू सर्वाइव इफ यू आर गुड। So many people are there who did a film or two, and they are nowhere to be seen. And so many people who have come from outside have been even more successful than the so-called insiders. So eventually it is your talent which will talk, and that's what you should concentrate on, man. And pros or cons are there, like you said. Like I had this big disadvantage that I was being compared to Anil. My first film was compared to his last film. People were not ready to accept कि वो 10 साल से काम कर चुका है, ये तो न्यू कमर है, आप कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं इन दोनों को। बट I didn't complain. I've never heard an insider, like so-called insider, complaining about these things. There is so much of comparison. There's so much of like a big shoe to fill. But that's part of your journey. When you decide to do anything in life, if you want to become a doctor, you cannot crave के यार मुझे 16 घंटे पढ़ना पड़ता है। अरे आपने ये प्रोफेशन चूज किया है, आपने ये डिसाइड किया है कि मुझे ये करना है। और आप जब एक सक्सेसफुल डॉक्टर बनते हो, आपको जब रात को 12 बजे किसी का फोन आता है कि मुझे ये तकलीफ है, कैन यू प्लीज कम और समथिंग, और द डॉक्टर very rarely puts his phone on silent. He can't complain about that, because when he chose that profession, he knew this is what I'm choosing to do. So when you come in this industry, when you decide to become an actor, you know, when I decided to become an actor, I knew I would be compared. I knew all these pros and cons will happen. So there is nothing to complain. You have to fight it out. You have to fight it out. And that's what I did. And that's the reason I'm here. Like again, I said, that's the reason I'm in front of you.
No, absolutely. Absolutely. No, sir, I've been following your work since, I still remember प्रेम का जब 2-3 साल तक पूरा सारा जब प्रिपरेशन हो रहे थे, मुझे वो भी याद है। पहले शेखर कपूर साहब was directing it and then how things happened. But sir, मैं आपसे एक बहुत ऑनेस्टली मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाह रहा हूँ। आपका जो पर्सनल रिलेशन आपका जो अनिल सर था क्या है, क्या एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम डिड इट इम्पैक्ट विद ऑल दीज मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स एंड द कांस्टेंट कंपैरिजंस, कहीं क्या कुछ इम्पैक्ट आपका पर्सनल रिलेशन में होता?
Not at all. This is something, obviously we are a full family of films and everything. It's not that, but when we sit together, we only talk about this. And not at all. There was nothing to discuss or anything. This only thing was, like people who know Anil, he is, every film he behaves like a newcomer. So his passion only grows with every film, and that's what when we spoke and everything, work more hard, prove it, give it back to them. So that was the attitude. It was never an attitude. Our relationship became stronger only. So it was because he knew what I was doing right. He knew that I was working very hard. And some people get success immediately. Some people, it takes time. My work was being appreciated. Sometimes I was giving blockbusters. I was not getting credit. Sometimes, like it happened when I did Luck by Chance. आज वो पिक्चर को 11 साल हो गए. पिक्चर जब लगी थी मेरी इतनी तारीफ हुई थी पर मैंने एक पिक्चर नहीं साइन की. क्यों नहीं साइन की? अगर मैं इनसाइडर हूँ तो मुझे तो 100 फिल्में साइन करनी चाहिए थी. इतनी तारीफ होने के बावजूद. कि today also when I meet people, they say you were so good in comedy. Why aren't you doing comedy films? Why aren't you doing film? मैं क्या करूँ अगर मुझे ऑफर ही नहीं होगा तो मैं क्या करूँ? Today people say, why don't you do movies like Sirif Tum? Films like that have to be made. So these things happen. You just have to live with it. And today, when your time comes, today when I meet people, I'm getting so much of credit for movies like Sirif Tum and Luck by Chance and all these films, which when they released, probably I did not get it. Sirif Tum was a blockbuster. There was Priya Gill, who was again a newcomer, total newcomer and everything. It had outstanding music. It was one of the best scripts that I've worked in. Even today, when it comes on TV, when people watch it, when I meet people, when I travel all over the world, and when they talk about my films, they talk about Sirif Tum. Yes, they talk about Raja, which was a obvious blockbuster, but Sirif Tum is right up there. But again, after Sirif Tum, it was not that I was flooded with offers. In fact, I did a negative role after. The first film I did was a negative role after Sirif Tum, where I played a character like this. So these are hurdles which you should take it to your heart, and you should feel yes, this is part of your journey. This will make you even more stronger. And that's the reason when you say I'm like this, when I'm so fit and everything, is because I didn't give up. I worked even harder. And that's where today when I'm shooting a show in lockdown without an actor in front of me, where acting is all about reacting, and there was no actor in front of me, I was looking at myself in front of the screen or a blue screen. And today, if I've given this performance and everything, because it was there in me. But today I'm getting credit for it. Earlier, I did not get credit for it. Today, people are appreciating my work. Maybe obviously with time, you learn the craft, which is a natural thing. You only learn more and more, कोई अपने माँ के कोख से कोई सुपर एक्टर नहीं बन के आता है. वो सीखता है. हर चीज में, कोई भी प्रोफेशन में. The more you work, the more you learn. So obviously, I also learned the craft. I also learned a lot of things, but I didn't give up. And I think so that's the main thing.
So we've been observing your entire journey for the longest period of time. One thing which has been very unanimous about you is that Sanjay Kapoor is a very fine person. As a human being, he's a very sorted guy. We've never had any stories of you being bitter about anything, or gossiping about anyone, or having any fights or anything of that sort. Do you think, considering it's a very tough industry, being a sorted human being, being a good human being, being someone who's extremely positive about yourself and about other people, that is something that helps?
That helps your personality, I think so. That helps. See, because this I've not worked on कि ये ऐसा करना चाहिए. ये मैं हूँ ऐसा. ये मैं कोई भी profession में होता तो मैं ऐसा ही होता.
Exactly.
I have not worked towards this because I'm an actor.
Right.
Whichever profession I was in, I would have been like that. So this is either there in you or you're not. It's not there in you. So if you are a bitter person, if you're a negative person, I will not call. I would put it like you should be positive towards life. Like I said, you should think your glass is half full. You should never think your glass is half empty. So if you have that kind of positivity, then you will not have bitterness. You will smile. You will joke. People will want to be with you. If you have negativity, if you have frustration, if you have bitterness कि उसने मेरे बारे में ये बोला और वो एक बार मैं वहां गया था और वो वहां खड़ा हुआ था, उसने मुझे हेलो नहीं बोला, उसने मुझे देखा पर आंखें नीचे कर दी. सबके साथ होता है. We've all gone through it. The biggest of superstars has gone through it because उनके भी लाइफ में उतार चढ़ाव तो होते हैं, तो वो भी नोटिस करते हैं. There is nothing to be bitter.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah. So just be positive and everything. Do your work and. That's it. That's the most important thing.
That's amazing. अभी सुशांत का अनफॉर्चुनेट इनका डिमाइस हुआ है. एक चीज जो बार बार सामने आ रही है और वो ये आ रही है कि जिस तरीके से जो सर्टेन गॉसिप आर्टिकल्स उनके बारे में आए थे उससे उनको काफी तकलीफ पहुंची. ब्लाइंड आर्टिकल्स और गॉसिप आर्टिकल्स. आपने भी अभी जिक्र किया कि सर्टेन बैड रिव्यूज आपकी फिल्मों को आके मिले थे and obviously that must have bothered you. How do you look at this gossip culture which has been there in the film industry, and do you think that maybe certain things should change?
Right now, it's a very sensitive topic. Uh, Everything will be misinterpreted. So if I don't talk about it right now, it'll be better because it will become, I don't want anything to be misunderstood. And right now, there's an inquiry going on. So I don't think so is the right platform to talk about it right now. So I like to skip that question.
Trolling that is happening with say Ananya and Sara and all these people, for example. Do you feel concerned that if she wants to go into the film industry and maybe
see when I started off, all this social media was not there. There used to be magazines and everything. Like I said, when you come in this line, there will be pros and cons. You have to be prepared for it. Yeah. And half of these trollers and all, I think so, are fake account holders, according to me, who are not genuine people. I think so, most of them and everything. So it's a phase, and there's a phase going on, and when this phase going on, we are all sitting at home. This pandemic is on. We sat at home for 5 months. लोग काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, लोगों के पास इतना कुछ है सोचने के लिए, कुछ और काम के बारे में सोच नहीं रहे हैं, बस इसी के बारे में बातें हो रही है and everything. It's a phase, I think so. So it will pass. There's nothing to worry about. These trolls and all this is part of it. When we started off, the great Raj Kapoor, we used to live in Chembur and all, and Chimpu, his youngest son, was a very, 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 we are very far away related to, but he was a very, very dear friend. He said, good publicity back. If you are important, people talk about you. People don't talk about unimportant people.
Sanjay sir, wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much for your
Same
time
here.
and congratulations for the Gone game and looking forward to all your future ventures. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.